Start of the engine, tahimik. Mamaya ito-torture test natin ito yung vibration. Okay, try natin tong vibration. The car is running. Subukan natin dito sa portion na to. The bottom is uneven, so try natin. Mahirap i-shoot. Alright. Maganda yung langis, na-hold yan. And look at the vibration, napaka minimal to the point na yung tinatayuan niya is manipis. Yan.